Okay, hey guys. Today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make basic logic gates in Minecraft. This is one of the videos that's going to help you out a lot for Project 1, just so you can get some basic digital logic going in Minecraft. So, first things first, if you haven't figured out how redstone works, go ahead and check out the tutorial. I've posted a PDF on the course website under week 1 that should give you everything you need to get started with understanding the basics of redstone. So, assuming that that's all knowledge that you've acquired already, we're going to go right into talking about how you can build a few of the basic logic gates that we discussed in class in Minecraft. So the first gate that I'm going to talk about is a NOT gate. And in order to start building these things, let me just get the necessary materials here. Need some redstone. We can use a redstone block. Let's see if I need to, just to create like a redstone torch. I think I'm going to go with a torch for now. And I'm going to go with white concrete. And if I need to, a repeater. Again, all this material is stuff that I like. These 4 blocks here, I discussed them in the redstone tutorial. So let's get started. Number 1, the NOT gate. So in order to invert a current in Minecraft, all you have to do is build the following construct, right? So here we've got redstone current flowing from this torch down this redstone wire. Let's say we wanted to invert that. All we'd have to do is place a block and a torch like so, and what you would see is the inverted version of that current coming out of there. So for example, if I get rid of this charge coming in, then we can see that now there's current on the other side. Similarly, if I place this torch here, there's no longer current coming out. So this is all you need for a NOT gate. Very simple stuff. The next gate I'd like to talk about is an OR gate. And this one is also really simple, mainly because that's just how Minecraft is constructed in the first place. And let me give you a bit more of an explanation of that. So let's say we have 2 inputs leading in, just like so. Let's make that a little bit more even. Just like that. Okay. And let me turn on the game volume to 0. There we go. Okay. So if we have 2 inputs coming in like this, and we want to OR them, all we have to do is connect them like that. So let's say we have an input here that's positive, the output is also positive. If both inputs are on, then the output is also positive. Similarly, if this one is on and that one is off, that's also positive. Now you'll notice that here with the OR gate, sometimes you get a backflow of current going this way. Redstone repeaters are something we can use to make sure that the current that we provide only flows in one direction. So if you want to make sure that there's no backflow for your OR gate, all you have to do is place these redstone repeaters right here like so that no matter what comes in from what side, current won't flow backwards out from your gates. This will be a little bit more useful once we start building more complex things, but for now, it's good practice to maintain this stuff. So that's an OR gate. Next, I'd like to show you the AND gate. And this one's a little bit more complicated, but once you get the design down, it should be very easy to do. So if you place some blocks like so, and like this, then you can design a simple OR gate, a simple AND gate. So if we have an input here and an input here, all we have to do is provide 1 torch. So as you can see, that hasn't activated the AND gate yet. But if we provide 2 positive inputs, there we go. Our AND gate is activated. Similarly, if we get rid of one of these, again, the AND gate is deactivated. So, yep, there's your AND gate. Very simple stuff. And finally, the XOR gate, which is arguably the most difficult of what I'm going to show you all today, but it's also fairly simple to make. Now keep in mind that there are multiple ways to make an XOR gate in Minecraft, but I'm going to show you a design that really works and meshes with a lot of the stuff that we're going to build. Feel free to implement your own type of XOR gate, or if you're feeling really adventurous, try and figure out your own way to get it working. So you'd start off with a shape like this, and then 2 additional bits like this. I call them the Tetris piece. And all you have to do is add 2 blocks, 2 redstone just here, 2 torches here, and then simply just add another torch here. Now keep in mind that this is a little bit more complicated, and again, as you start building this more, it'll become like second nature to you. But as you're building it for the first time, it might be a little bit more tough. Okay, and if we add 2 torches here, and finally, 1 more output, just like that, we should have a working XOR gate. So just to give it a test, like that, great, the output is on if we have one input. Now if we had the second input, we want the output to be off. Great, the output is off. So similar, if we take this away, the XOR gate is once again activated. So these 4 gates are the basics for what you'll need for the ALU project, at least the logic portion of it, and that's all you'll need to get this started. If you want to learn more about buses, which is how exactly we're going to construct the ALU, then go ahead and check out the other video posted for this week. Other than that, yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Good luck.